Hey everyone, my name is Kate and I'm Product Development Manager here at Plus Plus, and today we are going to be building the creepy critters. We have Bolt, Nom, Grim, and Wib here, so let's get started. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to build Grim. Alright, so the colors that come in Grim are Glow, Basic Black, Turquoise, and then 2 red hubs for Grim's eyes. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started with building Grim's body. So we're going to take 6 of our glow pieces. We're going to put 2 together like this. Just like that. And once we have those 2 pieces added, we're going to go ahead and take this piece that we've made already and slide it in to the back here. So we're connecting the front and the back of the body together. And we're going to add 1 up here and 1 in the same place on the other side here. So now that we've got Grim's body, we're going to go ahead and set Grim aside and we're going to create Grim's feet. Another one right at the top. And then 1 just like that. And then we're going to create a mirrored version of this for the other foot. So we're going to take 1 piece here, add another to the top, and then we are going to go this way with the foot. And we're going to slide in this piece that's sticking up here right into those glow pieces there. So we have 1 foot connected on this side, and then we're going to take this foot and we're going to put it on the same place on the other side, just like that. To the back of his head, just like this, in this spot. Flip it around and add 1 more to the front right here. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the eyes at this point as well. So we're going to take 1 of our red hubs and slide it right onto the black piece. And then we're going to take our other red hub and we're going to slide it in right there. And then we're going to take 1 more and add it to the middle here. And then 1 last black piece and add it to the end. So this is what the first part of Grim's hat should look like. And once we have this completed, we're going to go ahead and add 1 more black piece to the center right here. And once we've added that piece, take another one and add it here. And then we're going to put this whole chunk that we've just created down. And we're going to start building flat. So the first thing we're going to build flat is we're just going to take 2 of our black pieces and put them together, just like this. And we're going to set this off to the side. And we're going to do another flat piece with 4 black pieces. So we're going to build straight up. And this is what the other flat piece should look like. And once we've made these 2, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add this first one right onto this part of this chunk here. And then we're going to add the longer one right in front of the piece we just added. So it'll slide in right there. In the last part of his hat, we're going to take 2 more black pieces and build flat again and put them together just like this. And then we're going to slide it into the front of the hat just like that. And the last thing we need to do to finish the hat is create the hat's brim. So we're going to set down this part of the hat for now. And we're going to use our remaining black pieces. And we're going to put 2 black pieces together just like this on this side. And then we're going to do the same thing but mirrored on the other side. So we're going to put these 2 together just like that. And then we are going to put this part of the brim right here on this part of the hat. And then we're going to add this part right on the other side in the same spot. And then we're going to take our last black piece and slide it in right there. So once we have the hat created, we're going to take Grim here and we're going to attach this part of the hat right there right into the front part here. So we're just gonna slide that hat on right there. And now we have a finished brim.